Good afternoon, all. It is mid November, again a very special occasion for us, Children's Day, also named as Bal Divas, celebrated on 14th November every year in India. This time, in virtual classes, we children are celebrating the day with our teachers gathered at school in honor of Chacha Nehru. In today's speech, I, Sitimun Monali, depict the significance and the story behind the Children's Day celebration. The first Children's Day was celebrated on 1964 in India after the death of Jawaharlal Nehru in May 1964. It marked as the birth anniversary of India's first Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. All political party members also give respect to Nehru ji at his Santiban Memorial in New Delhi. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was one of the freedom fighter, poet and leader of India. One of his famous writing is Glimpses of World History. Also, he managed to write one of the best books of Indian history, The Discovery of India during the 4-year custody in Ahmednagar. He was well known for his love and care towards children as well as for roaches. Even he was saying that children are like birds in a garden and should be carefully and nurtured as they are future of the nation and the citizens of tomorrow. He was a friend of children, so children were calling him Chacha Nehru. He worked more for the education, welfare and progress of children after the independence of India. He also organized a 5-year plan to provide free meals and education to the school children for avoiding children malnutrition in India. Children's Day reminds everyone of the preciousness of kids. People should be aware of the importance of welfare and the rights of children for the nation and society. That's why, as a responsible resident of India, we should not distinguish between children in accordance with their religion, caste, economic and social status. Children are the gifts of God, pure heart, innocent and loved by everybody. Parents should give an opportunity for children to express their thoughts and try to understand them. I conclude by conveying my warmest wishes on Children's Day. Let's celebrate the day with happiness and enjoy the gift of childhood, since we are the future leaders of India. So let us collaborate to perform our responsibility of making a beautiful society and a better nation. Thank you. Thank you for giving your precious time and hearing my speech. Jai Hind.